Welcome to the Foundation directory. What would you like to search for? Loading files.
SCP-BEHK, aka Master Mass. Projected Object Class, Euclid. Recovery date, October 28, 2019. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-BEHK is to be held in a modified humanoid containment cell. Ventilation in and surrounding SCP-BEHK's cell must be capable of filtering pathogens from the surrounding air. SCP-BEHK-A is to be contained in a hermetically sealed chamber. Up to 90% of SCP-BEHK-A's mass must be destroyed every 7 days. All instances of SCP-BEHK-C are to be immediately destroyed before reaching maturity except as designated for experimentation. Description: SCP-BEHK is a living mass which will, upon physical contact, consume any organic material. Following such an event, SCP-BEHK will begin to reproduce at an accelerated rate until it fills its container. SCP-BEHK's DNA structure does not appear to match any terrestrial life form, though it acts in a similar manner to several known bacteria. When a mass of SCP-BEHK is allowed to grow to a visible size, it appears as though it were comprised of loose flesh or other organic tissue. Special Containment Procedures continued. If SCP-BEHK comes into physical contact with a living organism, it will begin reproducing inside that organism, hereafter designated as SCP-BEHK-B instances. Full infestation of an adult human takes place over a period of 4 hours. During this time, the SCP-BEHK-B instance will begin to gradually lose higher brain functionality. At first, this leads to aggressive and hostile behavior from the infected instance. As the infection progresses, the behavior of the instance becomes more and more subdued. Visible bacteria growths will begin to erupt from the subject's skin as the infection reaches its final stages. These growths, once visible, rapidly form ovoid structures, which then continue to grow and consume the host body. These structures will, if allowed to grow further, begin to produce SCP-BEHK-C instances. SCP-BEHK will, itself, begin to form complex structures if allowed a large enough space to grow in. These structures include hanging vines of flesh, walls of muscle, and various organic structures capable of producing light. Additional ovoid structures, similar to that produced by SCP-BEHK-B instances, will also be produced in clusters. A large SCP-BEHK-infested space will also include numerous defensive structures. Mobile and hostile constructs capable of biting passing individuals have been observed. Additionally, pods producing an acidic cloud which dissolves most inorganic materials have been observed. SCP-BEHK acts as a single intelligence that is dependent on the size of the container in which it resides. While smaller masses are capable of problem-solving independently, much larger masses have shown almost no limit in their capacity to solve complex puzzles in order to acquire more organic material.